Hello, welcome. If you are looking around to reinstall the GeneratePress theme for a new website, all you have to do is go to your dashboard, and then as you come to the dashboard, scrolling down to the appearance, click on the GeneratePress you have installed earlier. Then you come to a page like this. Thereafter, just click on installing GP Premium, that is the GeneratePress Premium, and you come to a page that says download your GP Premium. On that, you click your account to switch on for the API key, and then here you are. In my case, this is the API key. You will be downloading it. In my case, I have already downloaded. You can also see the instructions given here for the installation, and thereafter you come to that very place, but here are also a screenshot just beneath for your information, and go back to your dashboard and then look for the plugins, and then you click on add new. When you click on add new, there you are. You have a box that says upload plugin. There you click, then choose the file. In my case, the file is somewhere here, which I have recently uploaded. The file is somewhere I have recently uploaded. Yes, it's over here. Click on that and then open it. Now the uploading starts. Along with, having chosen the file, you'll have to install. Clicking the install, the installation runs, and that's how you add your GeneratePress plugin for your new website. The same API key can be used for various websites as you go for the premium version. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.